How to see who's using your Netflix account. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open a Play Store. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on the search bar and type Netflix. Now click on search at the bottom right corner. Now tap on Netflix and make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, simply tap on open. Now on the home page, simply tap on your profile at the top right corner. Now once you tap on it, a settings page will appear. Now simply tap on account under app settings. Again when you tap on it, a menu page will appear. Now on this page, simply scroll down. Now when you scroll down, you will find security and privacy. Now simply tap on manage access and devices. Simply tap on it. Now when you tap on it, you can find the devices where your account is logged in. If you want to remove them, simply tap on sign out. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.